I eventually became chair of the ritual committee, helping create new rituals for these holidays, because one part of our idea of ritual, in fact, initially I hated the word ritual because to me that was unthinking, rote, same thing every year, don't think about it, don't change it. And to me, ritual has now become something meaningful that we do, that we think about, that we revisit every year. We don't change everything for the sake of change. We keep a core ceremony, but what has happened in the past year? What new song did somebody learn that they'd like to bring to it? Is there something the Shula kids would like to do differently this year? Because the Shula participates as well. Looking word by word and saying, okay, what still works, what still resonates with us, and what new things, because we all read, we all look around to keep our minds open for new poems, what would be a good thing to do. And we're doing that now. A couple of years ago, we had never celebrated Tu B'Shvat, which I barely knew what Tu B'Shvat was. It's the 15th of the month of Shvat, which is usually around January, February. And it's the tree's birthday. The tree's birthday, okay. And we did research and learned that it was traditionally the tax day for the assessing in the old and back in Jerusalem for taxing, tithing, for giving your part of your tree, your fruit crop from your fruit trees to the temple. The Kabbalists in medieval Europe developed it as a more mystical, celebrating the earth and the different aspects of the earth and spirit, and made it more spiritual and mystical. Okay. And then some people thought, oh yeah, yay Israel, we're planting trees in Israel, let's make Tu B'Shvat a major holiday, and okay. And then thinking, well, environmentalism, let's save a tree and save the earth. And a few of us ended up putting a lot of those ideas together. And of actually even another group of, yes, we were planting trees in Israel, we're also destroying Palestinian olive trees in Israel. And we wanted to cover that as well. So we've taken a bit of the Kabbalistic mystical and yes, we were planting trees in Israel, and oh, we are destroying olive trees, and we are destroying the earth, and we want to save the earth, and created about 3 years ago a Tu B'Shvat Seder.